Welcome to this beautiful 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home in Springville, Utah, where the love and attention to detail really stands out. Join me as we tour through this home and all the little things it has to offer that make this home awesome. First, step on into a cute entryway, perfect for a shoe and coat rack, some family pictures, or an entry table. Just a couple steps in and you're in the heart of this home with easy access to the living room, the kitchen, the garage, or upstairs. The large living room will be a space for family gatherings, movie nights, and relaxation. I love how the kitchen doesn't feel far, but it does have that wall to hide all of those pesky dishes we all just wish would go away. Well, if you can't see them, they can go away, for a minute at least. The kitchen is functional with plenty of counter space for cooking, prepping, and making those meals that will bring friends and family together. Enjoy the stainless steel appliances. The fridge is included with this one. You don't even have to ask. The dining space is just off the kitchen to conveniently serve breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Need some fresh air? Step out the back and enjoy your patio with the shade pergola. Enjoy the mountain views and easy maintenance of a small yard, but the feeling of endless space since you back up to the field of the Merit Preparatory Academy, a charter school. Let's head upstairs where we'll find 4 bedrooms. The master is spacious and has a grand master bathroom with separate tub and shower, plenty of counter space, and a walk-in closet. And a small thing that is really a big thing, your laundry room is on the 2nd floor as well, and it's spacious. No lugging those laundry baskets up and down the stairs on laundry day again. Let's touch on a few other features. The garage is a handyman's dream. It's fully insulated and heated. It's also extra long and has ample storage. How about the extra driveway space for more parking, for storing toys, or an RV? And the garden boxes are planted and thriving with tomatoes, potatoes, peppers, and onions. These will all be ready for the new owner to harvest. Kind of like a housewarming present from the sellers. This location is minutes from everything you need. Schools, shopping, and restaurants. I-15 is just 4 minutes away. Provo is 15 minutes away. For water enthusiasts, Utah Lake is also 15 minutes away, and hiking, camping, and outdoor adventures are all within 30 minutes. To schedule your private showing of this home, call me today. At the Walker Hall Group, we help our clients buy with confidence and sell with success.